Hey, everyone. Oh yeah, we didn't loosen this at all. I suck. We get Invisigal butting in. This video comes from the past. See, that right there, that right there. Hey everyone, welcome to another Project D-Art video, except today isn't your typical video. It's actually more of a blooper reel. You see, a little while ago when I was installing my Racetrack taillights on my 2016 Dodge Dart, I made a bit of an oopsie. There's a nut and washer combo that holds the Racetrack taillights onto the trunk lid itself. And somehow I forgot or just didn't notice that the part that I got given, the Racetrack taillight, the Racetrack LED taillight part, already had those on it. I was fully expecting to have to reuse my washer nut combo from my non-LED version on this LED version. But I didn't have to, because it already came with those nuts. So what you're about to watch is me struggle to get the taillight back off to unscrew the nut from the LED taillight. Just have a watch. I really hope I am actually loosening this instead of tightening it. Oh yeah, no, it's getting looser. All right. Okay, that one's almost in. Loosen this, and then maybe both sides will just plop into place. I don't know yet. Let's find out. This one was a lot looser. This one was a lot looser than the other side was, interestingly. Now, here, now loosen. I think we're going to loosen it just a little bit. There you go. Just a little bit more for safety. If I had I say a drill, because it probably wouldn't fit with the little plastic tabs coming out, but all I'm trying to say is if I had a faster way of loosening this nut, maybe I would have been done already, but whatever. Okay, now we can make it finger loose and undo that. All right, yeah, because as you can see right in that gap, it's the back one here. Yep, there we go. It was the back one that was holding it in place kind of strangely. Now we got to see, okay. So now, there we go. So it was that, and now it's this back one here. It's the back one. Oh, okay, and then we got that front side. Try to finagle. All right, that's in place. I don't think this front one is. Not quite yet. Let me go to the other side here. Okay. Yeah, no, they're both in place. Good. We're gonna check this side. Yep, and yep. They're both in place. They're just not tight, probably because I haven't tightened that to it. But yeah, I see it's sitting a little weird and out and off. The gap is monumental there, as it is there. So yeah, there we go. I think probably when we start tightening it, it'll get better. So now we just gotta remember how the hell to tighten. There we go. That'll tighten it not just for the back, but it should pull it to the front too. I wonder if we have one of these that'll fit. Okay, cool. I was gonna say, if we could just use that to initially tighten them and then finish the job off with that, we'd be good to go. All right, cool. Now, that should be the tighten mode. All right. We're tightening each one just a little bit so that it's all uniform and it doesn't like pop out or anything. All right, cool. All right, there we go. We're gonna go until we can't go any further because it's deep throating the nut. Hold that tight. Or deep throating the screw rather, but anyway. All right, there. See, that fitment's a lot better. We're gonna check here. It's a bit better there, but now it's starting to pop out on this side. So we're gonna hold that down. Then we're gonna do the same thing here. All right. Now I need to remember it doesn't have to be like crazy tight, because it wasn't crazy tight when I got it. See, that's not right. There's a bit of a gap. So somewhere it's not fit there. There. Okay, we need to undo that immediately before we cause catastrophe. Oh, that's what I did wrong. I didn't take my bad. I didn't know it came with nuts still, and I didn't take that off. All right, now we got to do this other side here. That's why it wasn't fitting properly, because I thought I was going to have to reuse my old nuts. Not that it already came with some. Always pay attention. Ladies and gentlemen, always pay the utmost attention. That does unfortunately mean we're gonna have to take the whole thing back off, but we do at least know that it'll go back on all the same. All right, how close? Relatively. All right, and then we're gonna take this off that a little bit more. See what I mean by how much faster this is? This is what I meant earlier. If we didn't have, yeah, this is exactly what I meant earlier. Have one that worked like that, it'd be off in a jiffy. But yeah. All right, so now I gotta hope that I can somehow manage to get this off with that kind of securely in the hole. That one isn't, that one's really in. That's our main problem there. So we can just get this backside out. That one's as loose as it needs to be. This one could be a little looser. There, that's fine. Those are both loose. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention. All right, so we got this. See, it can't really, I say can't, it's gonna struggle to clear it. We just gotta get the one side out because the left side never went in fully to begin with. I almost, if I can try, I'd almost want to, perfect, okay. Because that other one's not really in, that one is. So we can pull that. I really hope that didn't do what I think it just did. Not yet. It is under some tension though. I don't like that. Ah, shit. Okay, we're gonna have to stop there. I think actually the better idea would be to tighten it. Tighten it out of the hole. Or no, I mean... No, that's looser. Crap. I had it right the first time. Yeah, I had it right the first time. Yeah. It's not gonna go any further. And now that's stuck, so I had it doubly right. Come on. See, that side's in, but this side. If I can just... I just need to get it out. It's really hard to do. That side. See, that side's so in, I can't even get my finger. Okay, there we go. And now that side is so in. Let's see if we can't get the left side out first, just to loosen anything. Wait, we need to loosen that more. Like this. Where is it? Okay, it's right. Hard to get my finger in between. If we get the front side, the back side can follow. So tricky because it's actually like it's in, but it's not in right. And as we know from these, they're a really interesting mechanism, and that probably just messed up. But that's the thing, we have extra screws, so that's not that bad. But gotta get this backside one. Okay, if I pull it down, there we go. And then, okay, we got this here. Now, let me check that. Keys. Might have to sit in the car for this part. That's what I'm saying, is it's so difficult. Trying to get my hand through. Because all I'm really trying to do is get that out enough to undo the nuts and then put it back in. That's all I'm really attempting to do. There. It's kind of crazy that the nut can even fit through that hole to begin with. That's not the right way. I think we are just going to have to break it and take it off. I don't think it's going to come out any further. See, this is... okay, there we go. There we go. We got that side out. It should make it easier to get this side out. If you can see, my hand is over the top of the other one here. Oh, look, the nuts, yeah, it did come out. Okay. Well, we do need it out right now. So let's this way. Just need my bumper a little bit. See if we can't get the left side. There we go. Out. There we go. And that's now in the trunk. Dang. Alright, let me move that. Alright, yeah, so... Oh, it's not. Okay, good. I thought it fell in. I really genuinely believed it had fallen in the trunk. Alright. Now, to do this the right way. Yeah, no, I seriously believe that, So, yeah, as you can see, that didn't quite go as smoothly as I had hoped, or as it seemed in the actual install video. That was a good, I think it's 20 minutes. I forgot how long the clip is, but it was a good 25 minutes of me struggling to remove the part since I had installed it incorrectly. But the part is still holding on strong, lighting up the way beautifully. All's well that ends well. I hope you all enjoyed this blooper, not really real, but this blooper episode of me struggling to do an install. I'll probably end up doing more of these because I know I had that happen with the pedals. That happened for sure. And then I know I got some extra footage of when I installed the left side of the mud flap. I might use that as well. I don't know. It's not all that. It's not quite as interesting. But in any case, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, share, and consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Please make sure you hit the little notification bell and then all notifications. That way you're notified every time I upload. I will see you all next time in another Project DDART video.